Welcome back. Today, we're going to create a small, selective fracture. First, go to Plugins and make sure Motion Design is enabled. Create a new level and choose Basic. Choose any mesh you like. In my case, I'll be using a rock. Scale and adjust the mesh to fit your project. And of course, always save your work. Go to Fracture and create a new geometry collection. Choose any fracture type you prefer. Adjust the fracture settings based on your project needs. Once you're satisfied, click Fracture. Click to Mesh, and make sure Center Pivot is checked. Click Convert when you're done. Select all the converted fracture meshes and place them into a new folder. Now, separate the piece you want to break. Create another new geometry collection. Select a fracture type and adjust the settings. Click Fracture once you're happy with the result. Click to Mesh again and ensure Center Pivot is enabled. Then click Convert. Move the new fracture meshes into another new folder. Go to Motion Design. Click Cloners and choose Free Placement. Select the fractured meshes and make sure their mobility is set to movable. Then drag them into the cloner. Create a Linked Effector. Adjust the effector settings to your liking. Or feel free to copy my settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching.